Hello, everyone. My name is Anum. Welcome back to another easy English lesson. Today I will tell you about my weekend routine. I will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. This listening practice is perfect for beginners and A2 English learners. Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. On Saturday morning, I usually wake up at about 8 o'clock. I don't need to hurry because it is my day off. I stretch my body and open the window. The fresh morning air feels nice. Then I make my bed and wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth and get dressed. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually make toast with eggs and a cup of hot tea. Sometimes I also eat fruit, like a banana or an apple. I enjoy eating a quiet breakfast while I look outside the window. A peaceful morning helps me feel happy for the rest of the day. After breakfast, I start doing some housework. I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I sweep the floor and dust the furniture. Sometimes I vacuum the living room. I also water my plants because they need fresh water every few days. I enjoy having a clean and comfortable home. Around 11 o'clock, I go to the supermarket. I like walking because it is good exercise. I buy fresh vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, rice, and some fruit. Sometimes I also buy snacks or juice for the weekend. At the checkout counter, I pay for my groceries and carry everything home. In the afternoon, I have free time. Sometimes I meet my friends at a small cafe. We drink coffee or tea and talk about our lives. We laugh together and enjoy spending time with each other. On other weekends, we go to the park. We take a slow walk, enjoy the trees, and breathe the fresh air. The park is always peaceful and relaxing. When I stay at home, I like reading books or learning something new. Sometimes I watch English videos to improve my listening skills. I also write new English words in my notebook. Learning a little every day helps me become more confident in English. On Saturday evening, I enjoy cooking dinner. I often make rice with vegetables, pasta, or chicken soup. Sometimes I try a simple new recipe from the internet. Cooking is relaxing, and I feel proud when the food tastes good. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen again. Later in the evening, I like to relax. I watch a movie or one episode of a TV series. Sometimes I listen to soft music while drinking a warm cup of tea. Before going to bed, I check my phone for a few minutes. Then I read a few pages of a book. At about 10:30, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. On Sunday morning, I wake up a little earlier. I enjoy a quiet morning with another cup of tea. Sometimes I sit near the window and read a book. Other times, I write in my journal. Writing about my thoughts makes me feel calm and thankful. At lunchtime, I usually visit my family. We eat lunch together and enjoy talking about our week. My parents tell funny stories, and everyone laughs. Family time is very important to me because it fills my heart with happiness. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes and fold them neatly. I organize my room and check my work bag. I also write a to-do list for Monday. Planning ahead helps me stay organized and reduces stress. Before dinner, I sometimes practice English for 30 minutes. I read simple stories, learn new vocabulary, and repeat useful sentences. Even a short study session helps me improve little by little. On Sunday evening, I take a warm shower and put on my comfortable pajamas. I enjoy a light dinner and spend some quiet time without using my phone too much. Then I read a few more pages of my book. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and go to sleep with a peaceful smile. This is my weekend routine. Every weekend is a little different, but I always try to relax, spend time with my family, and prepare for the new week. What about you? What do you usually do on the weekend? Tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow and easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.